So what is up everyone? Today's day 4 of the series where I show you how to build a full AI cold caller. Just to cover everything we've done so far, we've built the actual cold calling system, we've built the calendar checker, we've built the appointment booker, we've built the dynamic variables sort of identifier, and now we have to log the call and send an email. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can do the whole call logging part. So what you want to do is you want to have two tabs open. You want to have a make.com scenario, which looks like this, which I'll show you how to build in just a second. And you want to have your VAPI dashboard open. After you're done doing those two things, you want to open another tab and put Airtable in here. And then you're going to sign up if you don't have an account, or you're just going to log in. I kind of had to open Airtable in another Google account because I had it there, but this is pretty much what it should look like. And you can add as many fields as you want. But for me, I have the call ID, the telephone number, the call summary, basically the reason the call ended, the assistant ID, the duration, and then the total cost. And here's what you're going to do in make.com. First thing you're going to do is you're going to create a webhook, which is very, very easy. You're going to take the webhook link right here. Then you're going to go to VAPI and you're going to find messaging. So you're going to scroll down and then you're going to find messaging and you're going to paste it right here. Then you are just going to publish. After publishing, you want to run it once like this. And then you want to have at least one call with your agent so that the webhook kind of knows that it's working with VAPI now. Then you can ignore this router. You don't really need to have this. You can just delete that. And you can link this exactly like this. From there, you're going to have an Airtable that creates a record. So you're just going to log into Airtable. You're going to choose the base, the table, and then you're going to put all of the info you want to put into the Airtable. So for example, for the number, here's how I did it. I just went here. I went to the message. I found the client. So if I look down, the customer, which is right here, I see their number. So I'll just take their number and I'm going to put it right here. After that, you want to have another search records, which is basically going to search if the customer is already on the table. So again, same account, same base, same table, same everything. Only difference is here, you want the formula to be phone between two curly brackets equals this, like the phone number, between basically single quotation marks. And then you are going to simply save with a limit of 1. Then you have a router, and this router actually matters right here because pretty much what this allows you to do is it allows you to see if the customers are already on the table. So first filter takes the total number of bundles from the search rows and basically says equals to 0, meaning that no phone number on the whole table is equal to theirs. But then if you go down to the second condition, you're going to notice that there is nothing. And there is nothing because basically, if it's there, then it's always going to be true that it is here. It doesn't matter how many times it is there. As long as it's there, that person exists. So it's going to come here, and then it's going to update a record. So instead of adding a new record for them, it's going to update it. So if the record ID, you want to take the record that the search rows found. For the phone, you want to leave it to be their phone. And then for the logs, you're going to type exactly this. And then you are going to save. Up until this point, with the 4 videos we've done so far, you now know how to actually create something that calls. You know how to make it book appointments. You know how to make it check the calendar for availability. You know how to make it actually get dynamic variables like the person's name and all of that. And you know how to make it log in Airtable. Now, part 5, which I'm going to be releasing tomorrow, is basically how you can set up a sort of follow-up email or a follow-up text so your customer kind of still remembers who you are right after the call. Now, just one more thing real quick. If you want to build all of this without building it yourself and all of the scenarios without me having to basically guide you through all of them through 1 hour worth of videos, you can just open a new tab and go to automly.pro. So .pro. And then you are just going to sign up here. It's basically my app and it builds all of this for you in just minutes. So you're going to sign up. I already have an account, so let me just log in. Alright, so once you are in, you're going to go to projects, you're going to create a new project, and you're going to describe whatever you want here. So it can be absolutely anything. Like you can do everything I'm showing you in the videos, and you can do more, you can do less, or you can change it to be whatever you want it to be. Just tell it exactly what it is here, and have it build everything for you instead. With that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you tomorrow.